Hey guys, my name is Dustin with ClicksGeek, and today I'm going to review a Google Ads case study for a plumbing client. Before we get started though, if you're not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you do so you don't miss all the great case studies and Google Ads training that we drop in here daily for you. So let's dive into this campaign really quick. So as I mentioned, plumbing campaign, our daily budget is $833 per day on this specific campaign. And this is a 30-day window that we're looking at here. 197 clicks. Conversion rate is 35.53%, so doing very well on that. Average cost per click is $34.31, and we've sent 70 conversions, 70 leads per month, or for this month so far. The acquisition cost per lead is $96.56. So on this specific campaign, we're driving both lead gen and with like a lead form. So it would be name, phone number, email address. That way you can easily get back to the client. And then the other one is for phone numbers. So they pick up their phone, they dial the number specifically, or they just touch the call, and then directly all those leads get tracked right back into the campaign here. So let's dive in and look at what we're targeting for the ad groups. So the ad groups are comprised of the different types of keywords that we're focused on. So inside of here, there's several different keywords that we're focusing on here that are associated with like Marietta, Plumber. This is obviously, this is Marietta. This is a geolocation. So plumbing repair, water leak repair, call a plumber, and all inside of here, this is just, it breaks it out to where it's very organized, and we know what's converting. Inside of there, we have all of our different types of ads that are associated with Marietta or Roswell, plumbers near me, and it communicates to the consumer directly like that. Call a plumber, local plumbers. Let's take a look at the keywords really quick. So as you'll see, these are very intent-based keywords. So we're using what we call phrase match and exact match. So but the phrase match means that it has to include in the search, it has to include that there's plumbers in there. And this exact match is exactly like it sounds. This is what they search for exactly, and it pops up with this. And this just gives us another level of quality clicks. So if you own a plumbing business and you would like to run a successful Google Ads campaign like this one, reach out to us through the application link in the description below. Our team can clone this campaign for you, launch it for you in as little as 24 to 48 hours. So that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day, and we'll chat with you soon.